Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here our topic is type conversions here. What is a JavaScript type conversion? So you see adding the two numbers, 100 plus 50, it is 150. So you see what happen here. If this happen, then you see here, it is 150. If this happen in your app, means what? You don't have math problem, you have a JavaScript problems. Let's fix this one and for all. Type conversion in JavaScript. Type conversion means changing a value from one type to the another. You see like this 100, it is a string, now this is number. Just here value from one data type to the another. You see first this value have the data type, it is a number, but now this is strings. Here this is a boolean data type, now this is a number data types. JavaScript can do this in two ways, that is manually. Here you control it. Here just here you manually change its data type, rewriting the code, and next it is automatic. JavaScript decide and sometimes ruin the everything. So sometimes JavaScript automatically change data type. So here we have, this is, suppose you are building the apps. Here payment users enter amount from input fields like this one. Let's create the examples. This is the let amount is equal to 100, then let text is to 50, then let this is total is equal to amount plus text is equal to, you write source dot log, then total is going to here. So what happened here, guys? Here it is simple. You see this 100, it is a strings, then this is a plus operator, prepare the string concatenations, and then your output will be 150. So JavaScript convert 50 to the strings. Here this one, you see this data type, it is a number, but JavaScript automatically convert. Okay, in the background you see here automatically. Here JavaScript decide and sometimes ruins everything. Here JavaScript automatically convert this 50 number, this this text value data type is a number, but here JavaScript automatically in the background convert to the strings, and then you can verify that. You have to execute this files. Here let me CLS, and then your file, it is now 78, and you see okay, you see here 150. So this is wrong, this is wrong. So let's fix that things, and how you can do that. Here you have okay, let me comment, and then let totals number is equal to amount plus text, and then console.log total. This one, now this time you got your expected output. This is 150 and this is number, because here this amount you have to also convert to the numbers. This one, it is by default string, but you have to convert to the number. Okay, now string to the number, and so real math happens here. This is now next we have the example here, string to the number, just here convert. Okay, and how you can convert that things. This is here console.logs number inside here 3.14. So what happened here? Here 3.14 is strings, because you have to put in the double quote. Okay, it is a valid number using the numbers, this one number. Okay, similarly here empty string, here you have to console.logs, and then using the numbers, and inside it is just empty strings. Got it? And then similarly console.log numbers, and then it is 0 and okay. So here this is strings. Okay, if you try to convert to the number, you got here not a numbers. Here not a number means conversion failed. Here you have to convert only that value. It is possible to convert to the number, not everything. Here you cannot convert this 0 to the numbers. This is wrong. Even here you have to execute that files, and you got it your output. it is a number, this is a number, but it is a NaN. Because you cannot convert the strings, this Johan string to the number, then convert here number to the strings. So let me convert how you can convert in that here. So here it is part 2. Let price it is equal to 999, and then console.logs convert to the strings. This is your price. Okay, and it is possible you can convert this one into the strings. You see here your output, this one now it is strings. If it is a number, then you see like yellow color in the terminal CMD, but if it is a string, then it is white colors. It is used when showing data on the UI and backend numbers contain strings. We have another method that is 2 strings. Here you can convert that using that in console.log your 1 2 3 to the number, this one, and then dot toString method. You know about this method in the previous lecture. Also using this one you will convert it easily, this number to the strings. Okay, not to strings, same results, different methods. Okay, so with that you have to cut this line from here, put this one, hence edit here 1 2 3 and then dot to strings. Now this is correct, and then you see your number, it is strings. Got it? So you have to convert here. Now part 3, boolean conversions. This is here consoles.logs and then number, inside it here it is 2. You know about, you have to convert this boolean value. 2 means 1, and then consoles.logs is number, it is a false means it is 0. Got it? True means 1, false means 0. Used in toggles, features, flag, and then conditions. Here boolean to the strings. Also on here consoles.logs, here strings, and then you have to convert to the strings. Then you got it true values inside the string, because it is easily convertible. You see here now this true, here this is boolean value, and you have to convert to the strings. Got it? Also you can convert it. And then here data conversions. Let create the variable, let date is equal to, okay, it is a date. Okay, here let date is equal to new date, and then consoles.logs, and this is number, then inside the consoles.log t dot date times. Got it? Here it is the time systems, and this is the same thing here. Convert date milliseconds since 1970. It is used in chat tabs, sorting, post, then times 10. So let me check it here, and then you got it here, output, same thing. Okay, date conversion, convert to the strings. Okay, we have another things to convert, consoles.logs, then inside here your date dot to strings. Got it? And then here you have to check it here, Sunday, April 2026, next times. Got it? To convert to the string. Now next is about here automatic conversion, and it is a danger zone. Here JavaScript decide to convert these values, not you. So this is here consoles.logs 5 plus null. Then in that case what happen? You got your output, it is 5. Okay, because null it is intentionally means empty. Then here consoles.log, and this is 5 plus it is null. And then at this time you got it here 5 null. Let me check it here. Even you have to verify it. This is here, this it is 5 fine, but it is, this is 5 plus null. It is concatenating here. In math null it is equal to 0, in string null it is equal to inside null strings. Okay, and here we have more weird cases. Just consoles.logs 5 then plus 2, then consoles.logs 5 minus, okay, this is minus minus 2, and then consoles.log inside here 5 and multiply it with 2. Okay, so tell me what here. Tell me your output. This is 5 plus 2, 52, and then this is a 3. Okay, and you see here in JavaScript, this string automatically, in the background convert to the number. You see, this is a string, 5 is a string, but JavaScript automatically convert to the numbers in the background. Okay, this is the automatic conversion. That is implicit conversion. This conversion done by the JavaScript automatically, and that's why it is a danger zone. Okay, and then here this is 5 2. It is strings, so that's why it is multiplied 10. Okay, this is a really weird cases of your JavaScript. Okay, and then here last one about your object conversions. This here. Okay, so let me convert here consoles.logs, then inside here 1 2 and then 3 dot 2 strings. Okay, then you got it here, you are putting the strings, and then here object here. This is not here. Let me remove this. Consoles.log dot 2 strings, and then here let me execute this, and you got your output. What this is here 1 2 3 to the strings, and this is object. Then here let me check it here in the terminal. So here you have to execute, and you see your output. It is strings 1 2 3, and this is object here. This one object dot 2 strings. Here it is array. This array it is readable, but objects it is a weird strings. That's why you sometimes UI so objects. Got it here. So here now just a final message. JavaScript is not wrong. It is just trying to help you, but sometimes it helps too much. Okay, so it is all about your type conversion in the JavaScript. And here we have the bonus for you. Always convert user input. Never trust it on the JavaScript like implicit conversion. Okay, it is a danger zone. Okay, sometimes you got weird result. Okay, so it is all about your types conversion. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next lectures.